Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to find Robinhood deposit history. So here's a simple and straightforward step-by-step guide on how you can easily find your Robinhood deposit history. So if you are using the Robinhood mobile app, open the app on your device, then tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner, then tap transfer, then select transfer history. So from there, you will now see all your deposit and withdrawal listed. Tap a deposit transaction to view full details like date, amount, and linked bank. Then if you are using the Robinhood on the website, go to your browser, then press in the Robinhood URL, which is robinhood.com, and log in into your account. Very important. Then click your profile icon at the top right corner, then select history from the drop down menu. Click transfer to view all deposit. Then click any deposit for details or download the statement if needed. And that's how you can easily find Robinhood deposit history. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.